Welcome to the next installment of my video lecture series in economics. And in this particular video lecture, we'll be taking a look at cartels and cartel behavior. So you might see a problem that looks very similar to this. In an industry with an inverse demand function of P equals 200 minus 2Q, there are 5 firms, each of which has a constant marginal cost is equal to 20. If the firms form a profit maximizing cartel, and agree to operate subject to the constraint that each firm will produce the same level of output, how much does each firm produce? And the thing you have to realize here is what a cartel does is they join together and act as if they are the only firm in the marketplace. So they jointly set output and price. So they join together instead of competing against one another. They form this cartel and operate as if they are a monopolist. They get the profit maximizing output level, and then they split that output level evenly amongst all the firms in that particular marketplace, that industry. So we have an industry with 5 firms. There's the inverse demand function, and there is marginal cost. So we're going to go through the same process that we do, except what we did previously is found reaction functions. We're not going to be calculating reaction functions. All right, we're going to be acting as if these 5 firms are one firm and constitute a monopoly in this particular marketplace. So to get total revenue, I just multiplied price times Q. So we have 200 minus 2Q in brackets multiplied by Q. We multiply that through and we get total revenue is equal to 200Q minus 2Q squared. To get profit, we subtract off 20Q because marginal cost is equal to 20. Each unit is costing $20 to produce. So total cost is going to be equal to 20 times Q. I simplify that to get the profit function is equal to 180Q minus 2Q squared. I take the first derivative of that, which gives me 180 minus 4Q. I set the first derivative equal to 0 and solve for Q, and I end up with 4Q is equal to 180. Dividing both sides by Q, by 4, I get Q is equal to 45. So the industry output is equal to 45 units. These firms have agreed to equally split the output amongst themselves. So the market output 45 is divided by 5, and the output level of each firm is going to be equal to 9. So if each firm is producing 9, and there's 5 firms in the marketplace, 9 times 5 will give us that market output of 45.